Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play old League of Legends. Many players fondly remember earlier versions of the game, with different champions, items, and game modes. These past iterations offered unique experiences, from specific item builds to distinct map layouts. Understanding what made these older versions special is the first step to appreciating the game's rich history and evolution. We'll explore what Old League truly means to its dedicated community. Unfortunately, directly playing truly old versions of League of Legends is not officially supported. The game's developer, Riot Games, focuses on the current live version, constantly updating it with new content and balance changes. Attempts by passionate communities to create private servers for past iterations have historically been met with legal action and closure. This means accessing a fully playable, authentic old version is a significant challenge for enthusiasts. While direct play is challenging, you can still experience the essence of Old League. Many content creators and fans have preserved countless hours of historical gameplay footage online. Additionally, the game occasionally brings back popular rotating game modes that might evoke a sense of nostalgia with different rules or maps. If you happen to possess an old game client, certain third-party tools might allow you to view past match replays. The desire for a classic League of Legends experience remains strong within the community. Many players actively engage in online forums and social media, sharing cherished memories and discussing the game's evolution. While an official legacy server, akin to those in other popular online titles, is a frequent request, Riot Games has consistently prioritized the ongoing development of the current game. Connecting with fellow nostalgic players is the best way to keep the spirit of Old League alive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.